This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pumpkin pie from scratch. First, select a small, sweet pie pumpkin, typically weighing around 2 to 4 pounds. Cut it in half and scoop out all the seeds and stringy bits. Then, place the halves cut side down on a baking sheet and roast them in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes until they are very tender. Once your pumpkin is roasted and cooled, it's time to make the puree. Carefully scoop the soft, cooked flesh away from the skin. You can then mash it with a fork or, for a super smooth texture, blend it in a food processor until it's completely uniform. If the puree seems watery, place it in a fine mesh sieve for about 30 minutes to drain any excess liquid, ensuring a rich, firm pie filling. Now for the heart of the pie, the filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of your homemade pumpkin puree with 2 large eggs, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a pinch of cloves. Finally, blend in 1½ cups of evaporated milk until smooth. With your filling ready, pour it carefully into an unbaked 9-inch pie crust. You can use a store-bought crust or make your own. Bake the pie in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Let it cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 hours before slicing and enjoying with a dollop of fresh whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.